Friends, this is for sure a reality that trading is not just about strategy. It's actually about mindset, it's about your personality, it's about your ability to manage your emotion, it's about your performance management. I today interacted with a performance coach who is helping traders to excel. So let's welcome for this face to face Stephen. Why do we need to learn trading? Just learn technicals and trading can be done. Why do you need a trainer or a coach or a mentor to help you?
Some of the problems I've seen with system builders over the years, and then back testing of it, is they can't actually trade the system because it doesn't fit their personality.
Let's take a case study of someone who is just beginning the journey of becoming a trader. So, could you just give that step by step ABCD approach of how do we start?
You have to understand what trading is. There's two types of trading. And let me just call it setup trading and sell side trading.
So, how do you balance things where you are dealing with emotions which has been gifted by market, and then you also have social stress and pressure of probably not getting recognized from the social setup? How much typical time one would need to put in market as a disciplined individual to realize that my system is here, I probably have arrived?
Because this is what the best traders do. We get to the final part of this process cycle, the part that no one thinks of and doesn't realize how important it is.